I'm upstairs in my attic, and the reason I'm up here is because I got our gas bill for the month of December and January, and it was almost $1,200, and that is insane. And so while I'm up here, I'm looking around. Two things immediately. That's a duct going to the bathroom with no insulation on it. That's the first thing I noticed. The second thing I noticed, which was more immediate, is that this is 2x6 framing. That's 5.5 inches of insulation. We live in zone 3, which has a minimum requirement of R-30 up to R-60. So right now I'm at about R-19, maybe R-21. So this is about 1,200 square feet up here. Now here, let's walk around the blower unit up here. So this is the above the main part of the house. So it's about 1,200 square feet. So I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot and get myself 1,200 square feet of R-30 insulation, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna blanket this sucker. I'm gonna use Unfaced bats because I'm not paying $1,200 for a stupid gas bill. And we've got 3 units in the house, and this is the main attic above. So then there's a wing over there, which is where the master bathroom slash new office is. And then there's another wing over here, which is the kitchen, which is downstairs. It's another attic. Which is where the other unit is. But this is primary, and I'm gonna go take a look at the other. Okay, I'm up in my attic, and this is what I saw when I first came up here. And this is the duct that runs to the bathroom that I'm currently using. And that bathroom that I'm currently using also has no insulation in it. So this is a little jet out on the back of our house, which is a bathroom. And so that all needs to be insulated. I was wondering why it always is so cold in there. And here's the other main reason why it's not so cold in here. So we got to take care of this right now. All right, so we started laying out some R-30. And as you can see, we're doing blankets. We did take that piece of ductwork that didn't have any insulation, and we insulated it and wrapped it up nice and tight. But we're gonna go ahead and get the rest of this laid out, going all the way across. So I kind of lucked out because it's exactly, these are 25-foot rolls, and from eave to eave it's 28, so that 25 is almost a perfect fit. But we'll go ahead and we'll get this side done, and I think we're going to call it a day. We'll do the other side tomorrow. All right. I've got 2 bats of R-30 on top of the R-19. So in some spots, I have R-79, and in some spots, I have R-59. So I wanted to go along the ridge line in particular because this is 2 bedrooms that go back here. And on the back side of that wall, straight ahead there is where the new office is, down below a little bit. So we're at the highest peak of the house. But looking over, so I made sure it was nice and thick all the way around. So good stuff. We're done. Just in time because it just turned 30 degrees. We're on our way down to single digits tonight and tomorrow. So fantastic. The whole reason I moved to Texas, right? All right, thanks. Bye.